totally forgot where we left off. Because it's been so long. I've been on vacation. What's the epic quest? No idea. Let's just continue with some more Pirate Seas. Last episode, I believe we got the Lava Guava. We also unlocked the Spring Bean. I think that might be good. Spring Bean is pretty much completely useless, but we're gonna use it anyway. Alright, so the basic zombie we begin with. Hopefully you can hear fine. Let's actually use the Spring Bean. If anything is too loud, then you can just tell me in the comment section. I would love to hear. You know what? I'm just gonna turn down the volume just a little bit. I mean, the Spring Bean isn't completely useless, but it's not one of the best plants ever. It does get rid of zombies. Big old zombies. I'm pretty sure it could get rid of gargantuars. Well, maybe they stump them. I don't know. Or crush them. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't think I ever do. Well, our only shooting plant that we got for today is the apple water. Most of the other ones are either economy plants or non-shooter plants. A freeze on them. Kill me? I'm gonna save you actually. Are you still sleeping? Yeah, he's still sleeping. Oh. Starting to lose some stuff. Place you there. You go there. You over there, so if that does anything. Nope, it doesn't. Which is awesome. Oh wait. What am I doing? Lava Guava. There we go. Just barely. And we do have plenty of plant food. Anything will help. Okay. Wait, did we just go to the final link or not yet? I don't even know. Sun. God, that sun. Is it seriously that last imp cannon? Or whatever it is, cannon. Just regular cannon. Well, we did get some coins, which is awesome. Saved all lawnmowers. which is also awesome. Unlock the coconut cannon. He's pretty good. Coconut cannon. No, don't want to do that. Okay. Target score activated. Let's see if you can beat my high score. And put in KRYZV as your initials. Oh, Crazy Dave. Okay. 30,000. This might be more challenging. Combo. Yeah. Don't know why I said that, but I did. So deal with it. Oh, come on, charge. Yeah. Don't want to waste that. With the looks of things, not doing too well. More than halfway through, and we don't even have 10,000 yet. Oh, come on. Yeah. Crazy for combos. 20,000. We might do it. Probably not. This is looking really hard. Oh yeah, we did it. Yahoo! I don't know if it's possible to lose these levels, because you're getting the combos anyway. I mean, you have to get some sort of combo in order to win. So I guess you could lose, but it'd be kind of hard. Again, come back. What's happening? Okay. That's a lot of coins. Oh, that's a lot of points, not coins. And with that, we unlock the coconut cannon, which in my personal preference is pretty cool. Let's go on to the next level. Level up the Walnut. We could do that. After this level, we definitely could. Okay, so again, it looks like we're going to be focused on two main areas. Two main rows. You know what, let's get rid of the apple mortar. Just because I want to. So, the iceberg lettuce, obviously the coconut cannon and spring bean, just to stay with the theme. And let's unlock this, just for now, since I'm able to watch ads. Obviously going to want some sort of sun. I'm gonna grab the walnut and also the snapdragon. Oh, I forgot. Maybe we'll be okay. I don't know. Grab that. I forgot the spikes. I can never think of the names for these things. Got rid of that guy. By the way, when I said that this wasn't my favorite music, it's really good. The music is pretty much always good, I think, in all the levels. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just trying to fill in some empty talking. I don't know, okay, people? Gosh. Well, with that, we're already halfway through the first wave, and we don't even have our economy up yet. Which is awesome. Let me put that there. He's gonna be a problem. I think. So I'm just placing you down. By the way, I think it's pretty much impossible to go for Summer Tree. Well, it's not impossible, but it's really hard to go for Summer Tree around about the middle of the second world. Just because there's so much eating happening, and there's so many more things that you have to worry about. I mean, the first maybe 2 worlds are, you could do it, but with that we unlock the first coconut cannon. It's just like really hard to do symmetry. That's basically what I'm trying to say. Okay. Place down the coconut there, and boom! Whole bunch of zombies down. Oh, whoops, I meant to place a spring beam. And who's getting close? Oh! These flying guys. What? I did not see that zombie. Is that like an imp or something? Oh, these guys. Erupt. It was an imp, wasn't it? I just lost a lawnmower. That was unnecessary. I did not even see that zombie. That was surprising. Are you going to shoot or no? Speed up time. Yeah, I totally forgot about the roller zombies. And I'm gonna have to go to the almanac and see what these zombies are, because I'm calling them roller zombies. I'm sure that's not what they're actually called. Positive. Well, this can't possibly be good. Oh, whoops. Like, see what I mean? Like, it's hard to do symmetry because there's so much going on. That's basically what I was trying to say. Couldn't figure out my words. Yes, we're getting close. I know. Broadside. Okay. Well, with that, we completed day 12. Ooh. Oh, is this the thing where, like, you dig it up and then you get some sun back from it? I think that's what it is. That'll be nice. Logbook. Oh yeah, I unlocked the coconut cannon. Ooh, okay. What do we get? 500 coins, okay. 3 to the spring beam. 3 to the coconut cannon. It's 10 to unlock, so we can't quite do it yet. There we go. Nice. Let's exit to the map. Because I want to go to the almanac for multiple reasons. Then we could probably do the pinata party. So what was it that was ready to upload? Upgrade? Upload. It's not ready to upgrade. The ad said that the walnut was ready to upgrade. Well, no, it's not. And let's also look up you. Barrel roller zombie. I was close. I called them roller zombies. You know, I'm just gonna continue to call them roller zombies because it's close enough. I don't care what you people say. I'll call it what I want to. Produce at least 3,000 sun. Okay. Do we also have a new zombie, I believe, that bearded dude? Let's look at him up. Just so I don't mispronounce his name. Pirate Captain Zombie. You know what? Maybe we've seen those before. I can't remember. Possibly. You know what the goal is. Alright, let's grab the coconut cannon, definitely the twin sunflower. If I could, I would get the imitator for the twin sunflower to totally get enough sun. Spring bean. We're gonna be good. You want, I'm actually, apple mortar for the spikeweed. I think, I don't know, we'll see. Did I make a good decision or not? I think I'll be good. It's only 3,000 sun. It's just like a regular level, except you have to get a whole bunch more sun. Spring bean. I think we got at least 3,000 sun on the last one, too. So I think we should be good with a full row of sunflowers. Lava lava. So producing sun doesn't include sun from the sky. Producing, duh. Of course. Knock you out, since you're annoying. Trying to get my economy up. So we can produce plenty of sun. Snapdragon. There we go. Full row of sunflowers. Hopefully those two will die. I think they... No, they won't. Oh no. Okay, we just barely made it. That's good. What are they eating? Spring bean, or whatever. You there. Panicking. Time to panic. Is you there? That'll go away, but whatever. Hopefully they'll die. Looks like it. Oh no, they won't. No! Okay, place another. Okay, coconut cannon, and boom. There we go. Uh-oh. No. Yeah, get rid of him. Take my sunflower. Sun galore. Place another one up here. Place a spring bean, just because. Let's just fire off you. coconut cannons would be nice, but I think we'll be good. Or coconut cannons. Oh my gosh, I just cannot pronounce these plants. Stop it. You're parasitic. But I can't, Master. I have to embrace myself. Yes, I do. This area is fine anyway. Coconut cannon. Well, we did the task. I just gotta get through this level. Springo, do you know? Yes. Go. Place you there, get rid of you and you. Get rid of you and you. And you're gonna take some of the coconut cannon, but boom. Lava guava. Just because I want to, okay? Don't judge me that I want to. Wow, look how unsymmetrical it is. But I don't care. It's just a matter of getting through the levels. Let's just destroy everything. I don't know. With that, we got flames. Yahoo! 3 Peter, 1 level. And then we'll have lots of defense. At least 3,000. Go on to the next level. That's weird. Whoa. Okay. It's low tide and the waves are coming in. Shouldn't it be the other way around? Maybe. I don't know. Grab your water wing as we're going to get wet. I don't know about the ocean. Okay, plan your defense and defeat the zombies. Okay, and look at that. We have the captain zombie. That's gonna be weird. 2000 sun. An apple mortar? Maybe? I don't know. That. Let's just see what this does. Okay, so how are we gonna do this? So, you guys are gonna go up here with your friends, Mr. Snapdragons. The apple mortars. There. I'm just gonna say what's wrong. Okay. I'm gonna sit back and see what this does. This could be a good setup. The 4th row is definitely gonna be a lot less powerful. Hopefully we can get rid of those barrel rolling zombies. Looks like we just get rid. Most of those imps are gonna fall into the water, which is awesome. It looks like this setup comes in pretty good. But again, I don't know. Looks like the captain zombies are starting to take our plants. Maybe. Coin. Grab. Must grab coin. Ooh. We do have lawnmowers. Those roller zombies are getting awfully close. And there goes our peanuts. Or lawnmowers. Didn't think this through, huh? Well, it looks like we're gonna be good, no matter what happens. Because we do have all 5 lawnmowers, and I save all of our lawnmowers. We should have put everything back to where we were too. But looks like we beat it anyway. And with that, we got our free Peter, which is awesome. And there he is. 300 some. Not that bad for 3 lanes of protection. Let's just do more levels. Come on, let's make it a hour video. Just kidding. This is where we're gonna need the walnuts. Because for the previous ones, I haven't brought the walnuts, and they've definitely got past that. So immediately going to grab free Peter, walnut, probably not the spring bean because that's kind of wasting space. Let's think about this. What do we have? We don't have the captain zombies, which is good. Or the roller zombies. Basically going back to basic Pirate Seas, because those zombies came later. So I'm thinking we could just do Lava Guava, Snapdragon, and Spikeweed. Let's think about this. I know that we can plant the flowers. Alright. Let's just put a lava guava. Whoops. Guys fell. Just immediately start protecting all of these guys. Why not just place another one of you? These levels are hard. You don't have to have them trample. Don't you dare trample, Mr. Zombies. I wish we could get our defense up more. Or economy, not defense. Our defense would be nice to get up some more. Because we have to protect Mr. Flowers. Flowers. But, there we go. Lava Guava. Of course, the 2 lanes that I don't want them to be in, we are in. No! Oh, we just failed. What did I say about not letting the zombies trample the flowers? And what did you do? Trample the flowers, mister. You're not supposed to let them trample the flowers. I know. Talking to myself. So, yeah, let me just do the original setup. Let's just do it a little bit different. Since they didn't really get to the first 3 rows, or the middle rows, let's just protect the other rows first, and then worry about the other ones. So, like that is what I'm talking about. Come on. Larva. Okay. Probably just gonna use another lava. the lava. Trying to get a repeater. What? Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. Just do as best as we can. Please, no. Not again. Imp! Imp! Okay. We need so badly to get the full row of you guys. Defense is not doing well right now. I don't know, I just play stuff. Play stuff where it seems logical. Ooh, okay. So now everything is protected. All the flowers. Now let's just maximize that protection. Hopefully. Those are my plans, at least. Everything just got set on the fire. Let's speed things up just because everything we know is protected. Let's do that as well. What? What even happened? You're laughing. I hit exit to map. I don't care. What happened? Who trampled it? I don't understand. I got a quest complete though. Let's save that level for the next episode. Or hopefully we can understand what the heck just happened. Definitely not going to speed it up again. That was just wrong. Well, when did we start this episode? Started at 10. Did a good amount. Still got a good amount to go though. Let's play the Pinata Party. And then I'll call it an episode. Be gold, Blitz. Right? Be gold. Yes. Oh my gosh. I am so happy right now. You don't understand. Ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff so much. In the original Plants vs. Zombies, I would just replay this game over and over again. Sadly, I started the game just when I missed the Gold Blitz party. Big Old Party, where you have like 7 different levels of Big Old Blitz to play. Sadly, I just started the game right when that ended, so I never got a chance to play it. But it looks awesome in the new game. Like with the toadstools and everything. It looks so good. You can't see the smile on my face right now. I am so happy. It's so cool! Wait, is everything already upgraded? Okay. I love the upgrades as well. Like the fact that you can upgrade. Cool. Uh-oh, they're getting through. They're getting through. Getting through. Yes, butter them all. Awesome. I actually don't know what that plant does with the little water dripping off. I'm gonna have to read the dev diary or whatever it's called. Dev diary. That's Pokemon. Guys, I don't know. I don't know how to talk. I don't know how to life. But whatever type of life I'm doing right now obviously isn't working because they're getting through. Don't hurry. Even though I don't want to end this game, but they're getting through. I wish that they couldn't eat the plants so that you just like were at peace while playing these levels. So that you weren't like, oh my gosh, we have to get through this. Because I don't like rushing these levels because they're just so cool. Yes! Okay, let's do 1, 2, 3. Where was the costume? Oh, there wasn't a costume this time. Well, that's okay. Do not want to play again, even though I'd like to. But this is almost a 40-minute episode. Jeez. 40 minutes of footage. That's gonna leave it off for today, guys. We did an awful lot of stuff. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.